Okay, so I bought this at $13.71 during the Black Friday sale. I'm gonna take a screenshot on this one so that I'm going to show it to you on how much is the exact price that I bought for. Oh, I think, oh yeah, on this one. Yep, so this is the oil dispenser. The material on top is really plasticky. And then the one, then the sprout here, it has the plastic. So I'm just gonna remove the plastic. Oh, the plastic covering is not here anymore. And then I'm just gonna open this one. So uh, this one is made of glass. If you could hear that one here, because my microphone is here. So it's full glass. And then the cover is, so I'm pretty sure that there's no more plastic here. Yeah, yep, there's no more plastic, but the cover here, yep, I don't know if there is a plastic. Okay. Nope, it's not there anymore. But I think it has plastic because, oh, I just don't want to mess it up. Oh no, it's a rubber. Right, yeah. So this is the hose, the small hose, and then that's pretty much. So if you want to, I haven't used this one yet. So if you want, but what I'm, so what I just observed was when I open this one. So there is an opening. Okay, wait. Yeah. So there is a switch here. Okay. I don't know if you could see it. There's a switch. You could just switch it over here, and then it pops out. So I think this is the function when you are going to pour down the oil. And there you go. Poke. It opens, and then it just locks in. And then if you just want to spray it, so you just have to do this one. All right, I was just changing my location, so I'm here in my official studio. It's still a work in progress. Well, anyways, yeah. So this is the what do you call this? The oil dispenser. I already showed you the material and then what's inside, and then yep. So it's this one is really plasticky. This one here is glass, and what I have here is the olive oil. So you could use any oil on this one, and then I'm just going to pour the olive oil here. So just open the lid, and then it's just easy. You could just open easily here, and pour pour the olive oil then, and there you go. And close it. It's just so easy to close this one, and it looks durable though. Yeah, so yeah, the handle here, I think it's durable. So what I'm going to show you now how if this really works, the spray would work, and then the pouring function would work. I have this piece of cardboard that I tore apart from a cereal, from an oatmeal container. Then I have the oil here. So I'm gonna try the spray function now. Oop. Oh, there you go. Oh, so initially I think you may need to prime it, and then before, yeah, you need to prime it because when you saw that Um, I, I, I pressed this one for a couple of times and before the oil went out. So that's the spread of the oil. Again, I'm gonna do that again. Oh, there you go. Oh, oh, okay. You can see that? So, okay, on the side. Wow. See that again? Okay, so it's spraying, and then when you are going to when you're going to use the pour function, I'm just gonna remove this oil here. I mean the plastic bags here. Sorry about the mess. Yeah. Okay. So this is what I talked about earlier. You could just pull this one, and then that would pop out. So I'll do it again, so that you'll see here in front, it popped out, and that is the hole there. And then I am just going to pour it now for you to see if it's working. Oh, there you go. Okay. Wow. Oh, okay. I'm gonna do it again because I don't want to waste oil or cooking oil. So I'm just going to pour a little bit there, and then later on, if I have other other things to do, I mean, if I'm going to use the oil, I'm just going to show it to you. So here, okay, there you go. You saw that? So easy peasy. It's really functioning well. The only thing that I noticed here right now is it leaves a residue on the sprout after I did the spray. So let me try if it will spray if this lid is open. Oh, okay. So this lid is open, and then the spray function, I mean the spray would still function. I'm gonna do that again. Check it out. There you go. Cool. Oh yeah. So you have a well-functioning cooking oil dispenser. So this one, right now I'm only using it as an oil dispenser. If you have any ideas out there, if you're thinking of something else on using this one, put your comments in the comments section below, and at least I would know that we could use other liquid on this one, and then I might have to use it also. Yep. So you could get this in Amazon. The link is in the Amazon link is in the comments section below, and then also in the description below if you want to get this. I am not sure by the time that you are watching this video if it's on sale, and if not, then it's either you go to Walmart and check if Walmart is selling that spray, but I think they have a different one, different than this one. So, or else just delay your gratification and then just wait for this one to be on sale, because I bought this one on sale during the Black Friday week sale in Amazon.